Here we have a 2017 BMW 320D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights. We have the two black front kidney grills, the M Performance kit which includes the front splitter. We also have the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. Black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae, and at the rear you find the rear spoiler. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find the twin pipe exhaust. We also have the rear diffuser, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you'll find the full leather interior. You have a foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. In the centre you'll find the vents for the rear passengers, and on the doors we have the electric windows, the integrated speakers and the brush mount handles. Coming into the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. On the doors we have the electric windows which are for the rear. We also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Over here you'll find the auto lights. We also have the auto wipers just there. Multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. There's a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen. Has the likes of sat-nav, we have DAB radio. We also have different drive select modes and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.